Kiddo in meadow. Hello kids. In today's video, let's learn about domestic animals. This is cow. Cow. Cow means guy. This is buffalo. Buffalo. Buffalo means bhais. This is dog. Dog. Dog means kutta. This is cat. Cat. Cat means billy.
Meow. 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 Meow.
This is goat. Goat. Goat means bakri. This is horse. Horse. Horse means ghoda. This is pig. Pig. Pig means sewer. This is sheep. Sheep. Sheep means bher. This is rabbit. Rabbit. Rabbit means khargosh. This is donkey. Donkey. Donkey means gadha. This is parrot. Parrot. Parrot means tota. This is pigeon. Pigeon. Pigeon means kabutar. This is hen. Hen. Hen means murgi. This is fish. Fish. Fish means machli. This is ox. Ox. Ox means bell. This is camel. Camel. Camel means oot. This is monkey. Monkey. Monkey means bandar. This is rat. Rat. Rat means chooha. This is squirrel. Squirrel. Squirrel means gilhari. Thank you for watching, and for more such videos, please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell on so that you can get notified about our latest videos.